Let's practice the box breathing technique to calm your mind and body. Find a comfortable sitting or standing position. Close your eyes gently, if that feels right for you. Let's begin by inhaling deeply through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Now, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold your breath again for 4 seconds. Continue this box breathing pattern for the next minute, maintaining a steady and controlled rhythm. As you breathe, let go of any tension or stress with each cycle.